traveling. I'm gonna take you with me to the Philippines. For the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be spending my time in the Philippines for a vacation and to visit family. But my boyfriend and I will be going to the islands, and I'm gonna take you along with me. But first, let's pack because my flight is at midnight and I have not packed, so let's get packing. So we are gonna start off with the bikinis. I am bringing about 8 pairs because we are gonna be spending most of our time at the beach. I'm gonna be surfing, tanning, swimming, boat hopping, and island hopping. So I am bringing a lot of bikinis. This is from Zaful. This is from H&M. I love strapless bikinis because you get to have an even tan on your shoulders. This is from H&M, and this is Glassons. This one is from H&M. Wait, no, this is from Depop. It's so pretty. I love Monsteras, so when I saw this, I just had to get it. And this is from H&M. It's just a classic one-piece bikini that's gonna be great for island hopping. This is from Zaful, and these are all the bikinis that I'm bringing. I am bringing 4 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of denim ones, and 3 pairs of really comfortable, very airy and soft shorts. So these ones are from Glassons. It's like a linen blend material. So this is gonna keep me quite comfortable while I'm on holiday. And then these are from Sabo Skirt. It comes in like a play suit, and the top I will show you later on, but it's very flowy, which will be perfect. And then this one is from Glassons. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a knit material, and it's very soft, which will be great as pajamas as well. But I am gonna be wearing this mostly when I'm in the islands because it's just the perfect pair of beach shorts. These denim shorts are a classic pair, and every time I go on holiday, I always bring a pair of denim shorts because they just go with everything and you can never go wrong with denim. I am bringing 2 skirts. They're both from Glassons, but this midi one would be perfect for Manila. It's like this gingham material, gingham pattern. And yeah, I'm excited to wear this in Manila because it's very sophisticated, it's quite airy and light as well, so it won't keep me hot while I'm there. This is a red skirt, mini skirt that would be perfect for the beach, for dinner, and it's in a red, very shiny material. I am bringing this because it looks really good with one of my bikinis. I thought it would just be really nice for photos like that. I don't know, that would just be really sexy. So I am bringing this with me for the purpose of photos and also for dinner. So these are all of the tops that I am bringing. I know it's a lot, but I like to have options while I'm on holiday. And these are all quite lightweight, so they won't take up much weight in my luggage. But yeah, these are all just really pretty tops. That's why I had to bring all of them. But I'm just gonna show you a few of them. This one is a classic white top that will go with anything. So this is gonna be perfect to wear in Manila where it's really humid, and also in the islands as like a cover-up, like a beach cover-up. This is a top that pairs with the Sabo Skirt shorts that I just showed. It's like a play suit, so this would be really perfect as well in the islands. I also have some of these really pretty tops. They're like statement tops that would also be perfect for the beach. This is from, I think this is from Nastigal, and this is also from Nastigal, but they're just very flowy crop tops that would be so pretty in the islands. And yeah, these are perfect, and I got these from Depop for like $5. This was also in my thrift haul. This is a crop top from Princess Polly. I am bringing 2 pairs of pajamas. They're both from Kmart. One is this really nice pink pajamas with animals and plants, which would really fit the theme of an island getaway. And then this is a pair of frilly shorts. I'm bringing 2 because in Manila it gets really cold because of the air conditioner, and in the islands it gets really hot, so I'm bringing shorts as well. I'm bringing 2 pairs of bralettes. Those are my undies. and 2 bucket hats for my boyfriend and I to wear while we're in the islands. I am also going to be bringing a tote bag. This is just a tiny little canvas tote bag from Canon. I am also bringing a first aid travel kit, and in here I have some Panadol. This is for my hay fever. I suffer from hay fever, so I am bringing this just in case. And I have some band-aids, some Panadol for pain relief, sterile pads. I don't know, I always bring a travel kit, first aid kit with me because you never know when something goes wrong and there's no hospital or anything to help you around. So this is very useful, and I always carry this around with me when I'm traveling. And also with that, I also have a betadine antiseptic ointment. Funny story, when I went to Thailand 2 years ago with my friends, my friend, he fell off his bike. He had a bike accident, motorcycle accident, and I ended up having to use betadine and alcohol for his wounds. So it's very useful to always have a first aid kit with you when you're traveling. For the cosmetics, makeup, and skincare stuff that I'm bringing, I am putting them in this very cute container that I got from Kmart. It's obviously leaves, monstera, my favorite plants. So this is very on brand. But I am bringing this Bondi Sands SPF 50 sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important, and it is also important that you buy reef safe sunscreen, especially if you're going to the beach, to the islands, because some sunscreen brands, they have chemicals that kill corals, they damage corals. So always make sure that you buy reef safe or reef friendly sunscreen, because you have to look after the corals. You know, they're important for the oceans. So this is a really good brand. Also, for my face wash, I'm bringing my Body Shop Vitamin E. I know it says 250 ml, and in carry-ons you're only supposed to bring 100 ml, but I've used up like more than half of this, so hopefully they let me pass with this. And also my eye cream from also the Body Shop Vitamin E range, and sunscreen, facial sunscreen from Mecca Cosmetica. Mario Badescu lip wax or lip balm, very important, especially if you're going to the islands. You have to protect your lips. My deodorant, this is Thursday Plantation Tea Tree deodorant. I've been using this for years because it's so good. Tea tree is really good and it smells really nice. Also, they don't test on animals. All of the stuff that I use, all of the skincare stuff that I use, they don't test on animals as far as I know. So I'm bringing these with me, and I'm going to be putting them in this pouch. For makeup, I am bringing them in this Body Shop like bag, little bag, if I could just open this. But I'm not bringing a lot of makeup. I don't even use a lot, but I just have my what is this? Eyebrow mascara and bronzer, even though I'm gonna get pretty bronze just from being in the sun. But I have a concealer, bronzer, you know, just the usual stuff for going out when I'm in Manila, and also for dinner dates in the islands. So I'm gonna be putting those in there. Also, hairbrush, very necessary. And that is all the miscellaneous stuff that I'm bringing. The tech stuff that I'm bringing my laptop, chargers, my film camera, which is gonna go into this tiny little bag, and my DSLR camera, which is gonna go into this camera bag along with the camera that I am using right now. I have my hard drive. It's very small and very light, which is perfect. I'm going to be taking a lot of videos and photos, so this is going to be so useful. My boyfriend is bringing the GoPro and his drone, but I just have some GoPro accessories. I have this converter, which is so important when you're traveling. I only have one, but that's okay. For my personal bag, I am bringing this Kathmandu backpack. I can fit just a few stuff in here, but this is going to be great for when we go adventuring, when we're riding around the island, boat trips, because I think it's waterproof. So this is going to be perfect. But in here on the plane, I'm just going to bring wipes because coronavirus, and also planes, they can get quite disgusting, so I always wipe down my seat, my screens. It's very important that you clean because you can get a lot of bacteria and viruses on the plane. Along with that, I'm also going to be bringing face masks for the plane for me and my boyfriend, and also to use in the Philippines, in Manila. Because again, coronavirus, you just have to be safe. It's better to be safe than sorry. So I'm bringing those for safety. This is my travel pillow. It's an inflatable one, which I really like because it's very convenient. The pillows, the normal travel pillows, they can get quite dirty, and it's just a hassle carrying them around. So this is great because you can just blow it up when you're about to sleep on the plane, and when you don't need it anymore, just fold it, and it's very convenient. So this is perfect. I am going to be putting my converter in my personal bag as well, and these are my travel documents. This kind of matches my bag, so it's perfect. But in here I just have my passport, my travel documents, my money, and some ID. So this is going to be very, very important to put in my bag. I have my sleeping mask, and in there I'm also going to be putting my laptop in its laptop bag because in the security you have to take out your laptop. So yeah, this is going to be in there, and also a reusable plastic water bottle. I know it's plastic, but I was gonna buy the Hydro Flask, but it's way too expensive for me right now, so I'm just gonna have to use a reusable plastic bottle, which is great because at least I don't have to buy plastic bottles when I'm in the Philippines. And in this personal handbag, backpack, I'm also gonna be putting my cameras in there because these are very valuable, my cameras, so these are gonna go in there. And that's about everything that's gonna go in that backpack. So this is how I packed my carry-on luggage. I have all of my clothes in here, all rolled up. And there's Luna, she wants to get in as well. You wanna come with me? You can't. But yeah, this is how I am packing. I kind of just put that over there, but all of the clothes are rolled up like everyone else does when they're packing. And then in this compartment, I have all of my bikinis, my underwear in this little bag just to keep it organized. I have my tote bag right there. This is my toiletries, all of the tech stuff in this little corner, and my makeup bag. And yeah, this is hopefully under 10 kgs. So I am packed and ready to go. This is my carry-on and this is my personal bag. They're all ready. Hopefully this one is under 10 kgs, but it should be because I didn't really bring a lot of stuff. But that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so excited to go to the Philippines and bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna be vlogging along the way. Hopefully I will upload on time, maybe not, maybe when I come back I'll upload the videos, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see my family and to spend some free time and just relax in the Philippines. I love the Philippines. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some inspiration if you're packing for a trip or anything, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!